Hi guys, I'm back as promised, and today I'm going to show you how to make chili bites. So you make chili bites the same way as you would make biltong. The only difference is the spice you use afterwards. So after it comes out of the fridge, after that initial 6 to 12 hours, which I explained in my biltong making video. So the spice I use is a mixture of chili powder, chili flakes, and then hot masala. And the other difference is you would cut your meat into thinner strips. Like with your biltong, you would leave it as big chunks of meat. So with chili sticks or chili bites, you would cut it into thinner strips, like say centimeter by centimeter strips. The hanging and drying process would be exactly the same, except it would probably stay a bit longer because you want your sticks to be 100% dry. Alright, let's start making chili bites. And now just the spice on it. And that's it. You can either do that or you can place it in a container. And now what you can do is to make sure you coated all of it. Add more spice. So you can see there, it's chili spice, chili flakes, and then the hot paprika mix. And all you do is put a lid on and give it a shake. And that should cover all your meat. Same as you would with biltong. We put our hooks on, it's ready to hang. And now we hang it. Right guys, as you can see, they're all up and hanging. And I reckon they will take about 4 days maybe. Right guys, that's what they look like. Let's take a small piece here for instance. Give a nice little, look at that. Easy. That is really dry. Nice. Hi guys, that is now my video done on how to make chili bites. Please like and subscribe and be on the lookout for my next video. Bye!